charge. She's not fit.
County ma Murang'a osechako ndiko jodak mageno tiyo kod okumba mar thieth ma iluongo ni Kang'ata Care. Kane oloso kinde yango chenrono e kar thieth ma Kigumo, Gavana Irungu Kang'ata ne owacho ni chenrono geto konyo jodak ma county no maonge nyalo. Chenrono geto konyo kwan ji maromo 20,000 ka jok ma ondikore geno yudo thieth manono e kuonde thieth mag piny owacho. Chenrono iwacho ni biro muonyo omenda maromo milion 170 e higa.
And we have established a committee per sub-location that is going to do the vetting. That committee is comprised of the sub-chief, 2 representatives from the county, 1 whom will be nominated by the area MCA, and also a church representative, because we believe church is an important institution in our society. And there will also be a representative from the hospital, maybe the nurse in charge. So we have 5 members of committees in each sub-location.
We are interested in our elderly people, 60 years and above, especially those who have young children. They are looking after grandchildren. We are looking at orphaned children, children who have nobody to take care of them. We are looking at our disabled people. They need a lot of care from us. They are really so dependent on us. We really must capture them in this program. We also have single parents who are going through a lot of difficulty.